And like I said, a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 2, or you can trail your stops if you want to. As you can see, a 1 to 1.5 was a win, a 1 to 2 was also a win. Hey, what's up guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will be revealing and showing you guys one of the best and most highly profitable simple forex trading strategy that you can use to grow a very small forex trading account. Alright guys, so I really need you guys to listen to me carefully and try to watch this video to the end so you don't get what I call wrecked. Alright guys, so this is a quick simple strategy I came up with in my head. Probably some people have done it before, I don't know guys, but this strategy is highly effective, simple, and very profitable. So watch this video to the end so you get to understand every single bit of this strategy. Okay guys, so I looked at my stats and I saw that only a small percentage of people who watch my videos actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. You never know guys, this video could change someone's life. And if you have any video ideas you want me to make, drop it a comment and I will try my best to make that video. So guys, we will be needing just three indicators guys. 3 simple indicators, not paid, it's totally free. Alright guys, so like I said, the first thing we need is 3 indicators, and these 3 indicators are really simple and free, absolutely free. So the number 1 indicator we'll be needing is the ATR, which stands for average true range. Alright, so average true range, and we will need the RSI, which stands for the relative strength index, and we also be needing the MACD, which stands for moving average, convergence, divergence. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I just want to explain the rules and condition of this strategy. So basically all we're looking for is, guys, I want you guys to listen to this. I want you guys to really listen to this. We want to plot a line, an horizontal line on the 50 zone of this RSI. All right, so let's change the color to gold so it's clear, so we can see it clearly, and let's change the RSI to a more visual color. All right, I'll get back to you guys. Let me set the indicators up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the RSI is set up and the ATR is set, the MACD is set. So let's get into the strategy. So guys, I want to mention something. Like, the rules and condition of this strategy is we want to see the RSI above this 50 zone. You can see this line I plotted at this point, it's on the 50. You can look at it at this point, it's on the 50. So we want to see the RSI above this 50 zone. So if it's below, then we'll be looking to take sells, but if it's above, you're looking to take buys. All right, so whether it's above or below, you're looking to take a trade. You can see this line at this point, the 50. You want to see the RSI above this 50 line, and you want to see MACD above on the top, as if it's for a buyer. So guys, I'm talking about the buying setup. All right, so RSI above. So guys, we want to see the MACD lines above the histogram, not below the histogram, guys. So, and that is criteria number 2. And the third criteria is we want to wait for a break and retest. So I'm not just taking the trade blindly of MACD and RSI. We have to take it in confluence with price action, or should I say technical analysis, because a break and retest is, I will call it technical analysis and price action. Okay guys, so this is for the rules: RSI above 50, MACD above histogram, and yeah, that is the 2 conditions. So condition number 3 is, like I said, a break and retest of previous market structure. And once we see a break and retest and these criteria are met, you can see RSI is above, MACD is above, and once we see these criteria are met, then we're looking to get in the trade. So guys, our entry criteria now, guys, we're talking about the entry. So we get into the trade after we see an engulfing candlestick. So at this point, you can see that this candlestick is engulfing this candlestick. Let me zoom in a little bit. So as you can see at this point, this candlestick is clearly engulfing this candlestick. So The reason why I plotted the ATR on my chart is because I wanted to see the average true range of this engulfing candlestick. As you can see, it's 63. So 63 times 1.5. So it clearly means that I'm using a 1.5 ATR value of that candlestick. So I forgot what I've been typed in. Can you imagine, guys? So 63 times 1.5, so a 95 pip approximately stop. So our stop loss is going to be a 95 pip stop just down here at this point. As you can see, a 95 pip stop, and because it's a scalp, you can take this trade as a scalp, or you can trail your stops if you want to. So now I'm talking about the targets. All right, so guys, for your targets, you can actually trail your stops, or you can take a 1-to-1, a 1-to-1.5 if you want to. So for me, basically, I like to take a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-1.5. As you can see, a 1-to-2 was a win. It clearly means that obviously a 1-to-1.5 was also a win. So alright, so as you can see, this was a buy trade, this was a buy setup. So let's look for a sell trade. Let's look for a selling setup. As you can see, the market broke this point at this point. As you can see, the market broke this level, this support level. You can see support. Market broke it and it came back to retest. On the retesting, we saw this engulfing candlestick at this point. You can see this candlestick engulfed this green candlestick. So we're clearly looking to get in on a trade. So we have to take note of the other conditions. So the RSI is below the 50 for a sell. Like I said, above is for a buy. And the MACD is clearly below the horizontal, the histogram line. All right. So that's the ATR of this candlestick. So 45 times 1.5 is clearly a 68 pip stop. So we'll take a trade here for a 68 pip stop. And like I said, a 1-to-1.5, a 1-to-2, or you can trail your stops if you want to. As you can see, a 1-to-1.5 was a win, a 1-to-2 was also a win. Okay guys, I just want to make this video very quick and short, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make that video. And you can share with me live on Telegram if you want to. I give out free signals every single day. So if you want to be a part of the family, go and join the Telegram group. It's free. The link is in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.